Suzuki Eiger 400 stalls refers to when the Suzuki Eiger's engine stops running. For example, the four-wheeler dies when idling, or maybe it bogs down when applying throttle. This video will detail the main reason why a Suzuki Eiger 400 stalls. Before we go over the different reasons why the Suzuki Eiger 400 might stall, I highly recommend you download the factory repair manual. The downloadable Suzuki Eiger repair manual will show you how to fix everything we discuss here. In fact, it contains the same repair information dealer technicians and shop mechanics use to fix, overhaul, maintain, or troubleshoot your ATV. If you don't already have a repair manual, you can download one instantly at 911manual.com. So basically just go to the website, click on where it says ATV manuals, click on where it says Suzuki manuals, and then download the repair manual for your vehicle. So there's only a few things that might cause your Suzuki Eiger 400 to stall. For instance, fouled spark plugs, or a defective generator, or maybe a defective CDI unit. Could also be clogged or defective fuel valve, or a clogged carburetor jet. And also you want to check the valve clearance and make sure it's not out of adjustment. Anyway, what's listed here are the reasons why the Suzuki Eiger 400 will stall. Hope you found this helpful, and don't forget to download the repair manual, as you should never work on your four-wheeler without a repair manual handy. Plus, the repair manual shows you how to fix your vehicle.